to take you out when this is all over, Amity. I promise. No monsters, no mysteries, no deadly duels. It's going to be the most mundane slice of life date ever. And it'll be awesome.
I know.
Oh, crikey.
I can't believe I just did that.
I can't believe I just said that. Oh,
The National Hurricane Center has issued a hurricane warning for the southern Alaskan coastline until 11 p.m. Alaska Standard Time. At 9:30 a.m. Alaska Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar confirmed that Hurricane Blanca is about to strike the coastline. Hazard: hurricane. Source: Doppler radar confirmed. Impacts: hurricane-force winds will cause extensive damage to buildings and trees. Lightning may start fires. Tornadoes are certain. Flash flooding will sweep away cars, loose objects, and cause infrastructure damage. Precautionary and preparedness actions: evacuate the coastline immediately. Seek shelter in a second-floor interior room without windows. If you don't have shelter, go to the nearest shelter. If outside or driving, go to the closest substantial shelter and avoid windows. Do not remain outside. Avoid downed power lines. Report flooding to local law enforcement.